In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in StreamYard. Banners are those clean text bars that appear on screen to highlight a message, things like your show title, a guest's name, or a short call to action. They're simple to set up, and in a couple of minutes, you'll be ready to drop helpful information onto your live stream or recording. First, open StreamYard. Head to the StreamYard website in your browser, log into your account, and enter the StreamYard Studio. The studio is your control room. This is where you prepare your scene, manage comments, and control what viewers see. If you're already in a studio for a broadcast or recording, you're in the right place. Next, look to the right side panel inside the studio. This panel is where StreamYard keeps your visual controls. Find and click the Banners tab. When you select it, you'll see a clean area ready to store any banners you create. If the panel looks collapsed, just hover or click to expand it so you can see all the tabs. Now it's time to create the banner. Click the button labeled Create a Banner. A text field will appear. Type the message you want shown on screen. Keep it clear and direct so viewers can absorb it at a glance. StreamYard sets a banner limit of up to 200 characters per banner, so aim for short phrases instead of long sentences. Consider using concise wording, consistent capitalization, and punctuation that's easy to read quickly. Before you save, give it a quick proofread to catch typos, and think about how it complements your on-screen layout so nothing important is covered. When your text looks good, click Add Banner to save it. The banner will appear in your list inside the Banners tab, ready for use whenever you need it. You can return to this tab at any time to manage your banners and keep related messages grouped together for different shows or segments. That's the whole process. Open StreamYard and log in. Enter the StreamYard Studio, open the Banners tab on the right side panel. Click Create a Banner, type your message. Remember, the limit is up to 200 characters per banner, and click Add Banner to save. With a few clear banners prepared ahead of time, you'll communicate key details smoothly and keep your stream looking polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.